Hi there, this is Randy Evans with DualPolymer Waterless Technology and Evans Marketing Group. I'm here to show you the 30-second DualPolymer Waterless demo. But before we get started, I'm going to tell you a few things. When you see our product, you're going to see a little line of powder in the bottom of the bottle like this. I want you guys to understand what that is. That's like a 4-micron polishing compound. It's designed to polish out little fine scratches around your keyholes and door handles and things like that. It's an amazing little component of our product. There's 17 different chemicals and components in this product that make it do what it does, and it makes it safe for your vehicle. We call it dual polymer because there's two kinds of polymers in this product. One polymer is designed to protect your vehicle while you're cleaning it, and the other polymer is designed to protect your vehicle after you're done cleaning it. It gives you about a 6 to 9 month coating in average conditions. It's incredible. It's acrylic resin. It's not carnauba wax. There's no silicone in our product. Our product is body shop safe. Something that makes our acrylic resin so awesome is this. You can put it on a hot vehicle. You can put it on a wet vehicle. You can literally put it on anywhere you want. You can leave the haze up and let it haze up, and you leave the haze on the vehicle for 2 to 3 days. Come back with a buffing towel and buff it right off. It's nothing. So it's not like carnauba wax. It's a totally different product. Now this right here, we're going to do a quick demo. I want to show you the two different types of applicators we have. We have an atomizer, which is a pump atomizer. Where we pump it up, it pressurizes the container, shake it, shoot the product. What's so awesome about this, it's great for guys that own motorcycles. Put the cap on it, put it in your saddlebag. You can polish your bike up, tighten it up anytime you get anywhere. You go to a bike night, you can do your bike right here in front of everybody. And it don't leak, it's all good. I'm going to show you what it does on the glass. Man, see what a beautiful mist it puts on there? Almost like aerosol, except it's all natural air. All you got to do is just wipe it in. You know, our process is real simple. It's very hard to remember. Spray, wipe, buff. Pretty much it. And you just wash your car, polish out fine scratches, and put an acrylic resin coating on it, which is better than carnauba wax. And you'll see it haze up real light. Take your trusty dusty microfiber. Just buff it off. So that's one applicator that we have. If you notice, this vehicle's trashed. We had to have a dirty vehicle to demo with. We took this truck and we wet it, drove it up and down a Lime Rock road, did some donuts and things we probably shouldn't have been doing, and it still wasn't dirty enough. So we wet it again, stood on the side of the road, and we all started throwing lime rock dust and everything else on the vehicle. As you can tell, some of it stunk, some of it was smeared in. We just want you to see what our product can do. If your vehicle's this dirty, there is a limit to what waterless technology can do. If you've got caked on mud, stuff like that, you want to rinse it off, allow it to dry, and then go over your vehicle. Instead of spending 2 to 3 hours washing, polishing, and putting the wax on your vehicle, you can do your whole truck, this whole truck, top and bottom, including tonneau cover, in about 35 minutes. And you just washed it, polished it, and put a protective coating on it. And don't be scared to use this product too much. If you wash your car every week, the more you put on it, the thicker the acrylic coating gets. It will look like it's almost got a brand new clear coat. Okay, it'll look like it's laminated. It's just unbelievable. Now here's our other applicator. Our professional detailers like the trigger. Okay, the reason they like the trigger is because it's faster. Okay, so if they're doing 10 cars a day, 15 cars a day, they want speed. That's what they want. And so it's real easy. I'm going to shoot the whole door again. I'm going to shoot the glass, the chrome, and the paint. I want you to see what it does. Make sure you cover all surfaces. Probably want to do it body panel at a time. Oh, you see this? I'm shooting black plastic. You know, a lot of our competitors out there, if you put it on black plastic, what it does, it'll chalk it up, leave this nasty waxy residue in all the pits of the black plastic. Ours does not do that because it is not a wax. It's acrylic resin, whole different animal. So it's not really designed to shine it, but what it will do is clean the snot out of it and put a dadgum acrylic resin coating on it to protect it. And it won't damage it. And you don't get overspray, anything like that. Nothing crazy with our product. Our product's designed to perform. So you can see, hazes up real light. You can already see the shine. Man, this product blows me away every time I demo it. I just love it. something else that's really cool on the glass? No fingerprints. That's a great way to tell if a product's got silicone in it, by the way. Rub your hands on it, you'll see little rainbows coming off your fingers. Not with ours. Guys with motorcycles love that too, because on their chrome, it doesn't hold fingerprints, so it's really awesome. Just take your time, fluff off the haze. You end up with a rock star finish. This ultra slick. It's so slick it feels wet. And that's what we love about our product. It's got a different feel than carnauba wax. It's got a different feel than silicone. It's got a different feel than just about anything on the market. And you have to try it to experience it. Once you try it, you're gonna love it. Oh yeah, I thought you were done with me, right? One more demo I gotta show you. It's gonna blow your mind. It's really hard to get the feel and the slickness of our product through a video, okay? But what I can show you is this. You see the product sitting on the car, all right? Awesome. Do that. Just dual polymer. Pull out that buffet towel, buff it down. There's nothing slicker than dual polymer. Hey there guys, this is Randy Evans from Evans Marketing Group again, and I wanted to address something that I see in the marketplace a lot, and it's deception. Everybody talks about ceramic coatings now, and ceramic coatings, don't get me wrong, what I'm about to tell you is probably going to upset and piss off quite a few people, but I want you to know the truth about ceramic coatings. Just to give you some background on us, we're manufacturers, we're formulators. We're not somebody that buys a product overseas, throws a label on it, and turns around and ships it to you like you see a lot of the products that are on Facebook and other social media platforms. We make this product. We've been making it since 1997. So we're not new in this industry. We've been making coatings and surfactants for years, okay? We've got some of the best formulators on the planet that work for us. And I can tell you that our product is powered by a coating called an acrylic polymer. It's different than silicone, it's different than carnauba. You've seen it all in the video previously. And you know, it's a great coating, okay? The only thing that will beat this coating is a ceramic coating, all right? But it's gotta be a true ceramic coating. That's the issue. Right now you're seeing everything from sudsing products, soaping products, quick detailer sprays, all these different things that say they have ceramic in them, or SiO2, okay, which is silicon dioxide, which is the active ingredient in ceramic coatings. And they may have it in there, but what they have is they have 5% to 6%, somewhere in that area, so they can put it on their label. It has to be 5% to volume for you to legally claim it on your label, okay? Well, if you have a 16-ounce bottle, 5% is not enough coating to do anything, all right? If you take and spray a ceramic coating and you don't want it to streak, you're going to have to spray it in quantities of less than 20% the volume. Anything above that, you're going to have streaking and hologramming and problems that you can't correct. Now, here's the thing. When you see something like this, a sprayable product, and they claim that it's ceramic, it is not ceramic, okay? They may have SiO2 in it, but they have such a small volume that it's nothing to it. What you're feeling on your vehicle is most likely a silicone emulsion or some other coating that they're using for the feel on the vehicle. If this was a ceramic coating, you'd be able to spray it, put it on your vehicle, it'd be a 5-year coating, okay? You have to understand, ceramic is a glass. It's a sacrificial coating. It's a coating that's designed to last a very long time, and it cures incredibly hard. The hotter it gets, the harder it gets. So let's say you sprayed this on your vehicle and you got it on your glass or your plastics, and you didn't quite buff it down, you got little drops. Well, in 24 hours, that drop is a glass bead on your paint surface. It's gonna feel like you've got overspray on it, okay? You can't spray a ceramic coating safely on a vehicle and use it. Now, if you're looking for a real ceramic coating, which I can tell you, ceramics are absolutely top shelf, the best thing you can ever put on your vehicle surface. We have just so you know, we have a private label division where we actually sell our products and formulate products for other companies, and they sell our products under their label. We sell this product right here, DualPolymer, to a couple different ceramic-based companies, and they sell these to their consumers as a maintenance product, because even though you have ceramic on your vehicle, it's still going to get dirty, okay? And you know, you want to clean it, and you want to clean it in a responsible way so you don't damage your ceramic. Now, if you're looking for a real ceramic coating, this is not it, okay? This is it. If you look for real ceramics, you're going to find it in a bottle like this. It's most likely going to be glass or metal. You can't even store a real ceramic coating in anything other than glass and metal. If you do, it'll start breaking down the container or start bonding to the parts that's in the applicator, okay? You can't do it. Glass or metal, it will look like this, okay? When you go to have a ceramic coating put on your vehicle, they're going to prep it, which what that means is they're going to buff it down, do a 3-stage buff correction on it probably, to make sure all the fine scratches and everything's off your vehicle, because once you put this glass coating over the top of it, they're there until Jesus comes back, okay? There's no correcting it after that. You can't polish it out after you put a ceramic coating on your vehicle, a real ceramic coating, okay? So this right here is enough product to do this. This is a full-size dually. I could do this dually. You probably want to put about 3 applications on it. You'll see a lot of people on YouTube that shows them putting the ceramic on the vehicle and then buffing it down, and they only show you to put 1 coating on. That is not the best thing in the world. If you're looking for the true glass sacrificial coating where you see people dropping bolts on the hood, you know, doing all kinds of stuff, setting fires on the hood and that kind of protection, it takes about 3 to 4 applications of this on top of it. So you got multiple layers of ceramic. I highly recommend that you get a professional to apply ceramic if you've never done it before, because it's a big process. There's a reason why it costs, you know, $1,000 to $1,500 to have your car ceramic coated, because there's a lot of labor involved. They're going to 3-stage buff it, just like I said before, correct all the paint, make sure it's perfect. So when they put the ceramic on, it's going to be absolutely blistering bad, right? They're going to take and they're going to do an alcohol bath, most likely on your vehicle, or something to remove everything else that may be on there. They're going to use an iron reduction or iron removal chemical, most likely on your vehicle. All these things are to give the ceramic the best bonding to the most perfect surface you can put it on. Because once you put it on, all it's going to do is magnify and make it more beautiful. Okay, ceramic coatings are absolutely ridiculously awesome. However, they're super expensive. So if you want to spend 30 bucks on 12 ounces of ceramic sprayers, sprayable products and things like that, you're really just getting played. There's no such thing, okay? I mean, there is ceramic probably in it, or SiO2, but it's not enough to make any difference. And it's definitely not enough to have the results that you would get with a true ceramic coating. So you need to get with your personal detailer and have them, if you want to have a ceramic coating put on your vehicle, get with a professional detailer that is used to doing ceramics and make them show you the bottle. If they show you a sprayable product, this guy's not a pro, he doesn't know what he's doing. I'm telling you, this is the only ceramic that you can put on it. There's multiple brands out there. What you're looking for is 99% concentration ceramic, SiO2, okay? Now, after you get your ceramic coating, if the vehicle gets dirty, instead of using caustic soaps and things like that on your vehicle to clean it, here you go, bud, acrylic polymer. This right here is just going to put another layer on top of your acrylic. It's going to make it look deeper, richer, and slicker than anything you've ever seen. So I just wanted you guys to hear it from us, because everybody out there is screaming ceramic, and it just drives me nuts, because every time I see it, I'm like, man, because people aren't educated on the subject, they just don't know. And I just don't want you to get taken. We love our dual polymer nation out there, and all of our customers that we have. We process about 300 orders a day out of 5 different countries, and so we have a huge following. We love our customers. We don't want them taken advantage of, and so enjoy dual polymer or acrylic polymer, or get you a real ceramic coating, or both. Again, thank you. I appreciate you watching this long video. Have a great day, and God bless you.